Take a ride in the 2018 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.